Hey guys, how's it going? I'm Parsa from GR Tutorial. We are back again with a new skill for you guys by the name of the battery and power option. Today we are going to talking about the battery and power option and managing all of that in your computer. In addition, we are going to talking about some words like hibernate, sleep, restart, and shutdown option. So let's learn and start it. Before talking about these options and managing that options, let's see why we should do all those things for some reason. One, amusing energy is so expensive and we must pay a lot of the money for it. Two, energy can depreciate. And the last point that is most important between all these three reasons is using energy is not good for our earth. So for this reason, we should manage our energy. For this work, we have some options that today we are going to tell you guys. Before that, let's talking about some words about that in your computer. So go to this little icon in Windows. So you see the power icon. Click on it to see all the options like shutting down, restarting, and etc. for your computer. First option is sleep. As you know, it means sleep. Second one is hibernate. Next one is shutdown, and the last one is restart. The restart and shutdown option, I think you know what it is and you work with them. With shutdown option, you can turn off your computer and it close all the programs. For example, if you type something in your computer and if you click on shutdown, it close it, and after that when you turn off your computer, it's not able to use it for you guys. And the restart option, turn off your computer and then turn on your computer again. And it works like shutdown for our programs and it close all the programs in your RAM. Let's go for sleep and hibernate. And what can they do for us? This option works for that time that we want to turn our computer off for the short time. Like we have a break time and I'm going back again so soon. So I used this option. So what's the difference between all these options? When you use a sleep option, the program not close and it's safe in our RAM with the low battery or energy usage. It means when you press the hotkey and turn your laptop to normal, all the programs are ready for use in the previous format. Next one is hibernate. It completely turn off my computer, but all the program like sleep option save in our RAM. This work like hibernate get the information of the RAM and save it to the hard disk, and after when you turn off your computer, it goes to the hard and get all the information back to the RAM, and all the program work like the previous position. So the sleep and the hibernate option is for saving the RAM and turning off the computer, but sleep for the short time and the hibernate for the long time, guys. So let's go to the window and the Windows setting. As you know, most of our work in the window tutorial is with that. So in the window that you see, the first option is system. Click on it and after that you see the power and the sleep option, and when you click on it, it shows you guys the menu. The first one is a screen. In this option, it asks how can I turn the computers off when it's not busy, and the next one is when the plugin turns on when I can't turn off your computer. After a screen that we were talking about it asks the same question. The next work is managing this option. In the advanced, we can have some management. Click on it and on the left we have some option. It asks when we click on the power option what icon we want to see. The next option is closing the LED of your computer. I click on it. Let's see the option. It asks when I close the window, what should I do? For example, do nothing, sleep, hibernate, and etc. that we talk about it. So go back to the previous window. The next one is power plan. If you rather, first let's talk about the change when the computer is asleep. Then go back and set the power plan. So click on it and change it. It's like a previous option set. So go back and click on the create power plan. In this option, I can create a power plan by myself with many names in many positions. Hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel. Good luck.